Compared to the other brands, FRIZZLIFE MP99 is designed with a filter cartridge inside the plastic container. It will be much more cost-effective. Everybody knows the water quality is dropping as time goes by. Change more often, the better water quality you will get. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 2-stage advanced water purifier with 0.5 micron. The FRIZZLIFE MP99 water filtration system includes a 2-stage high-precise compound filter, which has a unique technology that removes over 99.99% of contaminants while leaving in all essential minerals. Eliminates lead, heavy metals, chlorine, chromium 6, mercury, rust, volatile organic compounds, carcinogens, and other contaminants, such as turbidity, odours, and bad tastes. Enjoy pure and healthy water from the tap. No more bottled water. Number 2. Dedicated faucet and brass feed water adapter valve included. FRIZZLIFE undersink water filtration system includes a dedicated stainless steel faucet that can be installed in most sinks, providing cleaner filtered water for cooking or drinking. No plumbing would be required. It comes with a 3/8 inch compatible brass feed water adapter, brackets, and step-to-step installation manual. You can mount the water filter as you wish within 10 minutes. Number 3. Best auto shutoff design. Utilizing a quick change twist in installation design makes it take less than 3 minutes for you to install the system or doing a filter replacement. Provides for easy, tool-free, no-mess filter replacement. The filter cap is designed with a built-in shutoff valve. You don't even need to shut off the water supply whenever you work on the filter cartridge replacement. Number 4. High flow rate and multi-usage. Enjoy tap water as pure and healthy as spring water. Tested full flow rate above 1.2 GPM at 40 psi. Can be used in under sink, countertop, ice maker, bathroom, RV, garden, etc. Number 5. Only core cartridge replacement. The system contains a core filter cartridge inside the housing. You will only need to replace the core part of the filter cartridge instead of throwing away the whole plastic part. It will save you much money on replacing the cartridge and will greatly help on the environmental protection. Each cartridge with high capacity can be used for 2 years. For getting better filtration, we would suggest replacing after 6 to 8 months. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.